guys sick and tired of water running off your truck and looking like that? Well, it doesn't have to be that way, because Shine Armor ceramic spray is going to fix that problem perfectly. All you have to do is put this little sprayer cap on top of the bottle, and you're just going to spray the cloth, the microfiber cloth they give you. Then you're just going to wipe it on there. As you can see,
as always, happy detailing and stay glossy, my friends.
Goes on nice and smooth. Now we're going to give it about 2-3 minutes to dry. Then we'll come back and buff it off with the other cloth. So after it's been a few minutes, you're going to come back and you're going to just buff it out. Crazy how absolutely slick that is. Go check out Shine Armor's website. I'll put a link to it in the description. They have lots of other products other than just this graphene ceramic spray. Definitely go check them out. All right, so here's the ultimate test of slickness on the surface here. Let's see if this bottle will stay. Nope, it's that slick. Awesome product, go check it out.